DJ here, doing another video for the Razor Company. Today, I'm not going to do a shaving video for you. I am just going to do how I do a bowl lather in a rigid bowl, just a quick lather tutorial. So it'll be a brief moment. I'm going to take the camera down to the sink in the bowl and show you my routine. All right, so to start off here, I have a bowl here that is made at the Razor Company here, as you can see. It's a 3D printed bowl. It's got some nice ridges. And I also have the matching 3D printed brush from the Razor Company with a synthetic knot in here. This is a great knot. Yeah, and you can get these here both at the Razor Company. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to be lathering with this soap here. This is a sample of Barrister & Mann's Noggin on Heaven's Door. Excellent scent for the holidays. So I'm just going to take this sample here. I also have a scoop here from the Razor Company that I'm going to use. I'm just going to take a little scoop out of this. And that might be a little too much, but hey, it is what it is. So we're going to push this in here. And what I do is I push it all around the ridges of the bowls here. Okay. And then I have my bougie sprayer here that I'm going to give a little spray in there. And I like to use the bougie sprayer here, the mister, because it lets me control how much water is in there. Got a dry brush here, just going to give it a quick dunk in the water. Wring it out almost completely. And then I'm going to get to lather in here. And I'm just going to keep lathering and lathering. I'm going to get a nice dry base here. I'll lather this for about a minute, maybe less. Just till I get a nice little bit of some soap coming here. And once I do that, I'm just going to reapply, get more water. And go some more. And what I'm looking for is a nice consistency of shine and fluffiness, but I want a very low structured lather. Means I don't want a lot of air bubbles in it. And getting a lather like this should take you no more than probably 5-10 minutes at the most. Depends on how much soap you put in. I put a little bit too much soap in here, so it might take me a little bit longer. But in reality, it shouldn't take as long as... But I'm already starting to get a nice creamy lather here. You can see it's starting to spill over the sides. And Barrister & Mann always produces a very nice lather. Very low structure, very creamy, very slick lather. And as you can see in here, see the shine that it's starting to get as the more and more I lather here. And we keep going. If I wouldn't have added so much soap, I probably would have been done already. But because I added so much soap, you only really need maybe a 1/4 teaspoon. But that scoop that you get from Jason at the Razor Company, it's a big scoop. As you can see here, the lather is starting to really shine. Let's keep adding water. Now I'm gonna start getting in here and scrubbing a little bit so I can really get the rest of that soap out. This might be my last bit of water that I need. As you can hear, my sprayer is pretty much empty. No, that wasn't used all on this. I usually fill it up maybe once a week or so. As you can see, it needs refilling. But getting a nice, creamy, very low structured lather. As you can see, look at the nice shine on that. Very nice and creamy. And these brushes for the price and this bowl for the price, absolutely fantastic. And this knot, which is the Pure Bliss knot, is one of the better synthetic knots out there on the market now. I mean, you got some great synthetics out there. You got G5C, you got this Pure Bliss, and you also have this new Prime knot that the Razor Company carries, which is another fantastic knot. So this is a pretty good lather right here. So this is something that I would use. As you can see, very nice. All right, well, you can see how great of a lather that is. Very nice here. Thank you for watching the Razor Company again. And yeah, everybody have a great day.